Hey, so we made a game using Unity. Hope you enjoy it. Now, for those of you still sticking around, let us take you on our journey.
So, around a month ago, CBC announced a challenge called the ATL Space Challenge 2021. And from the various themes, our team decided to go with Explore Space. And we further decided to make a game. Now, at first, we didn't know exactly what to make. I mean, there are a lot of ideas. And after having a few meetings and discussion, we came down to this idea. Why don't we let others, people who are more educated than us and more informed than us, become the teachers? And that's where our idea sprouted. And we settled down to this.
So now we'll be showing a small demonstration of how our game is supposed to work. So first I'll be showing you how the offline part of the game is going to work. So once you're in the main menu, you gotta press the start button, which will then take you to our solar system. Once you're here, you can click on any planet you want and it'll give you information about the planet. For example, if you were to click on Earth, it'll give you different information about Earth. Another example we could take is if you click on Jupiter, it'll show you information about Jupiter. So in this way, kids can learn about our solar system by themselves at any time they want.
Coming back to the main menu, this is where our other objective lies. It is the online version of the game. Our idea is to not just teach people about space, but to bring people passionate about space together. So here, when we press the explore button, it takes us to a new scene. Right now, it just gets some JSON data from a server we put up on Heroku, and it puts that data up as these widgets. Now we plan to actually add a machine learning algorithm which would in the future recommend courses to a player based upon the history. Then, one would press on the start button for a course and it would take them to a new scene. Now this isn't what our ideal goal is, because we plan to add way more functionalities than this. Adding ways to motivate the player to starting a course and actually completing them, adding accountability for the player, adding options for friends, and many other ideas. So this is what a course may look like. This course is about stars. So it first starts with some introductory lines about stars, then upon clicking next, you are introduced to a few of the stars. Currently, it shows some information about the object upon hovering over it. We also plan to add ways where players could drag and drop objects or collide things together or click upon them for some action. Then, once you have gone through all the scene, you are given a quiz, gaining points for the correct answers and losing points for the incorrect ones, and you get additional points for the time you took to answer a question. Now after completing all the scenes and answering all the questions, we get this completed scene. Now in the future, we plan to add an actual leaderboard system, because currently it is just showing some dummy data. Now we are yet to make a way for people to create their own courses, but this is a start, a spark to bring people together. After all, we may not be the best teachers out there, but we will make a platform for the best teachers.
Let's learn about space together.